Hey, this is Joey with Thermal Outfitters. I'm here with my man, Ted Williams from SOAB Hunting. This is his baby right here. He's changed the market for as far as I'm concerned with duck hunting. These ducks cannot stand it. They have to land in on these ducks. It's the natural feeding action of these decoys. Man, as much as I love thermal hog hunting, you can't beat mallards dropping their feet. Check this product out. Ted worked a long time to put this together and it's worth every bit of it. It's a game changer. Ted, got anything?
It just is a natural motion. They can't not do it. They'll land right on top of them. They'll swim with it if you give them time. It really does work.
Thanks a lot.